Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making a sweet potato pudding. This is not the authentic Jamaican pudding because I'm using this orange color potato which has a high water content, and the color deviates from the look of the Jamaican pudding. And because of the water, the consistency is a bit different too. So I'm calling it a sweet potato pie, but it's very much like a pudding in taste. It's delicious. So let's get baking. So the recipe will be in the description box. Feel free to modify as per your requirement. Today I'm using 4 potatoes. I'm just peeling them, then I'll give it a quick wash, grate, and also I'll break my coconut apart and also grate that. But I think instead of grating the coconut, I'll use the food processor, which is quicker and safer for my fingers. And then later on you'll see how we combine all the ingredients. Okay, this part I definitely do not enjoy. When I was growing up, I used to have to grate a coconut every Sunday to make rice and peas, and I used to cut up my finger. So be careful with the grater, because later on I do have some accidents using this grater and the potato. Oh my gosh, I don't like this part. I'm finally done with this tedious part of the job. As you can see, I'm now wearing a glove because I did get some cuts and bruises while I was doing this. I had to put on some band-aid and also put on the glove, but it's finally done. If you don't want to do this step, one option is to blend the sweet potato. Bear in mind that your consistency will be even more watery, so you'll definitely be making a pie if you blend your sweet potato. I'll also be blending my coconut. I'm definitely not grating it because my finger can't take it. So you'll see now where I'll show the blended coconut, and we'll just go ahead and mix everything together. Okay, so I'm going a little rogue in this recipe. Usually you would strain the coconut milk and then you discard the trash and add the coconut milk. But this is a small coconut, so I'm just adding everything. And the desiccated coconut, the bits, they actually give a nice texture to the pudding. I used to always love when my mother used to keep some coconut bits inside the pudding, so I'm just gonna let that stay. Also, it will help with the thicken the consistency of the pudding as well. So let's see. Okay, everything is combined, but I still need to add some flour, and I think I'm going to add a bit of white sugar as well, just to bring everything together. I'm still seeing a lot of sweet potato and not enough flour, so I'm gonna add some more flour and a little bit of white sugar, and maybe I'll add some cornmeal to try and, you know, give some thickness to the batter. Okay guys, we're done baking. Here is the finished product. Perfectly baked, you can see falling out the pan as usual. We're gonna cut into it and see what it looks like. Nice clean cut. You can see it's perfectly baked. If the color wasn't this orange, then it would be a perfect Jamaican sweet potato pudding, but the look is not given. It's not giving that, but I can assure you the taste is just the same. It's just the type of potato that is different. It's perfect. Next time I'll show you how to do the authentic Jamaican way with the right potatoes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.